Hey friend, how you been? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY nail tutorial. I'm going to be using these nail tips in square. They come in 12 different sizes, and a couple of things I like about these nails: they're strong, they don't split, and they're the perfect length for me. Not too long, not too short. When you're sizing your nails, you're going to make sure that each nail fits sidewall to sidewall, just so that there are no gaps or air bubbles, so when you glue down your nails, they're not popping off all over the place. Once you get all your nails, now you're going to clean your nails with some isopropyl alcohol just to make sure there are no oils, dust, or any particles stuck under your nail when you begin to glue them. Now that our nail bases are clean, we're going to go ahead and buff the top of our nails just to give it some type of texture so that the nails have something to grip onto. Next, I'm going to take my nail drill and I'm going to add some texture to each of the false nails so that when I glue them down, they are also textured, and this will ensure that my nails stay on for 3+ weeks without any popping off or any hassle. Also, all links to all tools will be in the description box, as I got most of my tools and things that I'm using in this video from Amazon. Now I'm going to take this color from GAOY, I don't know how to say that brand, in the color 1490, and I'm going to paint the thumb and the two middle fingers on both hands. This is going to give you that nice, flush, natural nail look that looks like you don't have any polish on those nails, because I'm going to put a design on these 3 nails on both hands. And I did apply 3 coats just to get it to the consistency that I like. Now I'm going to take this color from Modelones in the shade 1566. I'm going to do a floral design, so I'm going to start by placing a little bit on my stamping tool just so I have somewhere for my polish to sit. And then I'm going to use various dotting tools and a brush. I'm going to start by putting small dots on whatever nail in whatever position, and take the small brush and just stroke the dots down almost like teardrops to make petals for flowers. You repeatedly do this on whatever nail and in whatever position you would like until you get your desired look. When doing this, you really don't have to think about being perfect or being identical to the other hand. I was doing it more abstract, and one thing I do love about using gel polish is that it does not move until it is cured. So I can erase it or start over or do an amount of things that I want to do before I flash cure it, and that way I don't feel like I'm stuck or that I don't have room to make mistakes. Here I've decided to make smaller flowers the exact same way I made the bigger ones, just with the smaller end of the dotting tool, just to fill a little more space on the nail. My desired look with my drawn on flowers, I'm gonna go ahead and use these nail stickers that I purchased from Amazon. I really love these stickers. They are very sturdy. It's my first time using them, but they make so much of a difference when it comes to adding character to the manicure. And I just go through and pick whichever ones I want and place them on the nail to get my desired look. Now that I have a look I'm comfortable with, it's time to clean up and move on to finishing my design. Now I'm going to be taking some black gel polish and creating cores for my flowers, and using some other gel colors to add dots into the empty spaces of the manicure, just to give it some character and make it more colorful. Now that I'm complete with my design on both hands, I'm going to take that step of buffing my natural nails again just to prep for gluing the nails on. Now that my nails are all buffed, I'm going to go ahead and use super glue to start gluing down my nails. You can use whatever nail glue you would like. Super glue works for me. I apply the glue to the textured part of the false nail and brush that glue on my natural nail, and then go ahead and apply my nail at an angle and hold it down. If I see any excess glue has spilled over, I will use acetone and a cotton tip to go ahead and remove that, and I just repeat this process until all my nails are glued on. This is how they're looking so far. Now that my nails are glued on, I'm going to take my nail file and file that little plastic piece that comes at the end of press-on nails and make sure that my square shape is smooth on all of my edges. Now I'm going to buff my pointer and pinky nails on both hands, removing all the shine so that the gel polish has something to stick to. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my base coat, and then once that is cured, I'm going to apply my color with that same Modelones 1566. Now that I'm done gluing and designing and painting all of my nails, I'm going to go ahead and take my nail file and file any excess gel polish that I saw that either seeped out or was overlaying on my skin, just to give my nails that clean salon manicured look. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my top coat, and here we are. This is the finished look with the top coat. I love how summery they look, summer/spring, and the black gives it a great contrast. Now I'm gonna add some oil to my nails. It's not exactly cuticle oil, but it is all over body oil. I picked this up from TJ Maxx, and I just love this oil. It's lightly scented and it's not too greasy. Thoroughly rub in my oil and moisturize my hands, and that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.